other song. Amen. I stopped looking for the sign. There you go. The Lord's coming is very near. We've seen signs for many years, and sometimes we even question, Lord, how long? Oh, but how much more must come to pass before we hear the trumpet blast? I stopped looking for the signs and started listening for the sound. Oh, and I'm listening for the sun to raise the sky from the ground. While this world still sleeps and slumbers, no wonder why we're not around. For the signs they'll still be seeking, but they no longer can be found. Every sign has, oh yes, it's time to listen for the sound. I heard my daddy preach this many, many times growing up. We say this war, it's coming to an end. I've heard it preached time and again. You see, oh Satan, he'll try to steal the seed you sown. Oh, but those who watch in patience wait will make